again. Take 3 on this first ever Minecraft video. From last take, where I said something stupid, so I decided to delete it. I built that house. This is immediately after that. So, what do you guys think? Do you think I'm going to be able to get over there? I doubt it, but... Wait. I'm telling you, I have shift. Yes. We're working our way over there. Gradual. Oh shoot, I don't need to have my difficulty. Shoot. Difficulty. None. Oh good. That couldn't have ended up any better actually. I had no clue that was on. I just always assume that's off because I'm always playing creative mode, which I'm probably gonna have to do in a minute. Okay, same goal as everything else. Get a furnace. And I have to hold this down again. Come on. Work. Come on. Work. Work. Shift tab. Work. Okay, and I pull over there and go down here. Listen. Come on. Yes. Working slowly. Perfect. You never thought I would be saying that. No one can tell tree rats what to do. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I don't know what I'm gonna do actually. I can't do the leap of faith. Leap of faith is for losers. Which I might have to do a few times. So just forget what I just said. I'm stupid. Work. Ah, come on, come on. So yeah, all I did there is completely legit. Whoa. And to prove so, I will show my friends that I actually know in real life. Oh, that's odd. My hunger reset. You guys tell me if that's a glitch. Because I was missing lots of hunger. Not really, but still, I was missing hunger. That must be some sort of glitch. If I can ever shift a... Forget it. But I'm probably going to fall and die, but... No, I have to do it. Oh my god. Yeah, I didn't have to do shift. And if I get over here just to realize, okay, good, I can. Beaten a tree with a stick. That's an original. Stop behind vines. What do you know? What? Let's be glitched. Okay, yeah, that was a glitch. Maybe it's made by a... I'm not even gonna sit. I want to do... Oh my god, I almost fell there. Okay, so... I didn't even wait. Guys, we don't even wait for saplings. That's how impatient we are. We don't even wait for saplings. We just rush everything, which is probably bad. Really bad. No question, guys. I'm back. How stupid do I have to be to make 8 bowls? Nope. Guess that's not right now. Wait, I get everything just to my goal. I will end off the video. Wait, how long have I even been recording for? It don't even tell me. No, yeah, draw. I can't even because I don't even. And yeah, I'm not rude to my people. I don't even donate. Partially because I have no money. Give me that EXP. I want to be able to do everything. Will I get my first ever level? Nope. Sorry guys, I'm not talking. It's just I'm trying to make a simple-ish way to get up. So right here, perfect. Just one teensy problem. And now I can go up perfectly after this. Oops, we run into another problem. And another one. Okay, so now we get 0. Actually, yeah, let's go up this way. We switch where we're going. Where we're going. Like this. Place this here. Place this here. Go up like this. And up. And that is how I just made my first staircase. Please don't come up here. Hey, retard, don't come up here. No. I'm talking to my dog. Why? I don't know. Wow, I can make that. Oh wait, I've been doing everything what I want to. Wait, I don't even want to. Oh my god! I don't know how long I've been recording for. Not sure I want to know. Well, actually, I do. So I know. I can cut off my video, but you guys tell me how long my video should be. Now I have too much cobble. My gosh, I overdo everything. Trying to do something spotlight worthy. The main spotlight for the video. How the heck am I supposed to get blaze rods? Don't really. Do you think this house is spotlight worthy? like spotlight in the video? Sure. Okay, so this is gonna be the main spotlight of the video. House and furnace. My gosh, you could do that in the first video. Almost anyone. Well, I'm going to go make a chest, and that must be a glitch. Every time I make doors, it always gives me 3. Tell me if that's a glitch or something just wrong or something wrong with my game. Just tell me, please. I have no mods installed. I promise. Expensive. That's not. That is. Get out of the furnace. That's everything we got this episode. Well, I think it's done. And goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.